Welcome. In front of me I have REALME 8 and today I'll show you how you can connect AirPods Pro to this smartphone. So we have to open charging case of your AirPods, and right here you can find the key that you have to click and hold. So let's make it. Click and hold it. When this indicator starts blinking on white color, you have to release that key and open Bluetooth settings on your REALME. Then enable REALME by tapping on the switcher. And now be patient and wait until AirPods Pro pops on the list. As you can see, here they are. So you have to simply tap on it once, then click pair another time, and there we are. Right now we are connected. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.